Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix call failed on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you try to call someone on your iPhone iOS 26 and you see that that call automatically ends or failed on your iPhone iOS 26. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that your internet connection is working properly and you have intact and you are using both the physical or internet sim working properly. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the dial pad and you have to try to make a call. So if you click on that OK button, as you can see that calls automatically ended, which means call is failed. So how you can fix that? So for this you have to simply close this page, and first of all you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you have to find transfer or reset iPhone, and you have to click on that, and after that you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and check on now your service is working properly or not, and you have to make sure that there is shown some service, and if it is showing no service, then you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply replace your physical or eSIM, and after that you have to contact your network provider whether why you are not able to make a call. So if after that you have to simply try again, and you have to make sure that now it is working. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem and send it to the your network provider and also to the Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. And after that you have to wait for some time so that your problem can be solved automatically. Maybe there may be a network error on a specific location, so you have to change the location. After that you have to check again whether now you are able to call again or not. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.